Welcome! This project explores the concept of a contemporary A-frame house, designed to be fully immersed in a forest environment. The building takes the iconic triangular shape of a traditional roof, reinterpreted as a pure architectural form without vertical walls. Unlike classic A-frame houses, which are usually built in wood, this design is based on a steel structural system, emphasizing a modern and innovative character. One of the defining features of the house is the clear distinction between the two main volumes, the solid ground floor and the transparent upper portion. This design choice creates a protected, intimate, and welcoming environment on the ground level, while allowing abundant natural light to enter from above through the fully glazed upper structure. The extensive use of glass introduces a greenhouse effect, which makes the house particularly suitable for cold climates, where summers are mild and not excessively hot. During warmer periods, selected upper glass panels can be opened to promote natural ventilation and passive cooling. The glazing is treated to reduce excessive heat accumulation, ensuring thermal comfort throughout the year. In winter, especially in harsh climates, the greenhouse effect helps retain and store heat inside the building. The inhabited spaces are fully insulated on all sides, allowing them to remain warm and to accumulate solar heat during the day. All interior finishes are made of wood, chosen both for its thermal properties and for the warm, cozy atmosphere it creates, reinforcing the feeling of shelter within the natural surroundings. Entering the house from the main entrance on the ground floor, you arrive in a welcoming living space with a dining table, designed for shared meals and social gatherings. On the opposite side, a large and functional kitchen completes this central area. From here, a compact corridor leads to a cozy single bedroom and to a wooden-clad bathroom, conceived as a relaxing space that could also function as a small sauna. 2 double bedrooms are also located on this level, one of which can easily be transformed into a home office or studio. A central spiral staircase connects the ground floor to the upper level, leading to a spacious mezzanine that serves as the main lounge area. This elevated space is ideal for daytime activities and relaxation, while in the evening, it offers a unique experience, enjoying the comfort of the interior while observing the starry sky through the transparent roof above. The house is conceived as an off-grid dwelling, ideal for those seeking a retreat in nature, a vacation home, or a lifestyle far from the noise and pace of the city. Its modern architecture and innovative design merge with the surrounding forest, creating a strong connection between interior and exterior. At night, the house becomes a glowing presence among the trees, producing a magical atmosphere within the forest. During winter snowfall, this effect is further enhanced, transforming the building into a luminous refuge surrounded by a quiet, almost fairy tale landscape. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and consider subscribing to the channel for more architectural projects and 3D visualizations. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.